Being a railroad videographer often means standing in the cold or under a hot sun, waiting for that special train to come. Sometimes it means a road trip, gas, hotels, and meals away from home. It often means acting on information from reliable sources and foregoing other opportunities. When I heard that Denver and Rio Grande 168, the recently restored T12 locomotive on the Cumbres and Toltec, was going to make its first run since restoration between Antonito and Chama on July 26, 2021, and return on July 27th, I immediately decided to make the trip. While it wasn't running on a schedule to Chama, I timed it so that I could arrive at a reasonable time. The weather was typical for the afternoon in the mountains, building cumulus clouds and rain showers. But when I spotted Roger Hogan parked on the side of the road at Los Pinos, I knew I was in luck. After hearing it depart Osier on Roger's scanner, I repositioned near the water tank. 168 passing the water tank was a shot I'd imagined for a long time. The rain had stopped but threatened to start again, but before long the toot of the horn alerted me to take the drone up and start shooting. I caught it again at Cumbres Pass under moderate rain and an umbrella and hoped to follow it into Chama. Brake problems, rain, wind, and darkening skies told me to abandon the effort and catch it the next day when it would return to Antonito. Unfortunately, it wasn't to be. It was decided to postpone the departure till the next day, and I'd made other plans. The regular passenger train leaving Chama was scheduled to depart at 10 a.m., and that would give me the opportunity to fly the drone more and improve my skills with it. It's a new drone to me, and I'm still learning the curves it throws in my direction from time to time. Please enjoy this video of 487 taking the train from Chama to Cumbres Pass, and as always, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.